let's take a closer look at one of the most common types of stabilizer, cutaway stabilizer. Cutaway stabilizer is usually the best choice when your project needs long-lasting support, especially if the project will be worn, washed, or stretched frequently and often. Cutaway stabilizer provides permanent support for your embroidery stitching. That means it stays in your project and you cut away the excess, but it always stays behind the stitching. This is especially important because embroidery adds weight and tension to your fabric. Without the correct support, your project will end up looking puckered or distorted as it gets washed and worn and handled. Cutaway stabilizer is a great choice for anything that stretches. Knits, sweatshirts, denim. Yes, denim has stretch, thank goodness, right? Anything that's going to get washed frequently, you want that cutaway stabilizer. It's going to stay there permanently and hold everything in shape and looking correctly. We have 3 cutaway options: Cut Easy, Magic Mesh, and Magic Mesh Plus. Let's talk about each one of them. All 3 of those are cutaway stabilizers, but they serve a slightly different purpose. The difference comes down to strength, softness, and control. Let's start with Cut Easy. Cut Easy is our traditional cutaway stabilizer. It provides long-lasting support for those items that are going to be washed and worn frequently or have dense stitching. This is the stabilizer I would reach for when I'm working with textured fabrics, sweatshirts, denim, things that are going to need to be a little bit more durable, or designs that have dense stitching. Cut Easy is strong enough to support dense stitching, but trims away easily without leaving bulky edges. So if you're stitching something that needs dependable support, Cut Easy is the correct choice. Next is Magic Mesh. Magic Mesh is a soft, lightweight stabilizer that provides no-show support. It's designed to be soft and flexible, which makes it ideal for items that are going to be next to the skin. This is a great option for baby clothes, t-shirts, and projects where you want extra support without stiffness. Cut Easy is about strength and durability. Magic Mesh is about softness and flexibility. It gives the embroidery the support it needs, but also your finished product will be comfortable to wear. Then we have Magic Mesh Plus. Magic Mesh Plus gives the same soft support, however, it's fusible. That means it irons onto your fabric and helps keep placement secure. This is especially helpful with stretchy or slippery fabrics, or lightweight garments, or designs where precise placement matters. It's also a great option when you want the stabilizer to stay in place without using a spray adhesive. A great way to explain it is, if Magic Mesh ever shifts on you, Magic Mesh Plus is the solution. It gives you the softness of Magic Mesh with a little extra control. So let's compare the 3 cutaway options. Cut Easy is the strongest. Use it when you need firm traditional support for projects like denim, stretchy fabrics, or items that are going to be washed and worn frequently. Magic Mesh is the softest. Use it when you want lightweight, flexible support. Magic Mesh Plus gives you softness with added control. It's the comfort of Magic Mesh and holds your stabilizer in place securely. All 3 are cutaway stabilizers. The best choice depends on your fabric, design, and how much support your finished project needs. Removing cutaway. After your project is finished stitching, remove the hoop from your machine, remove the project from your hoop, and we're going to place the project with the stabilizer side down, the correct side up, or the right side up. You're going to pull the fabric away from the stabilizer, hold it with your fingers, and then with scissors, make nice, smooth, rounded cuts around your design. You will naturally not want to cut into your fingers, which is helpful, and it will leave you just enough stabilizer to support those stitches throughout the life of the project. With Magic Mesh Plus, since it is a fusible stabilizer, if you need to remove extra, heat it up quickly with a warm iron. It will easily peel away from the back of the fabric. You'll be able to trim the extra around your design, again leaving about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch around your stitches. Then you can always fuse it back in place for a permanent hold. When in doubt, check your project instructions from Designs by JuJu, or reference the stabilizer guide on the designsbyjujuplus.com website in the FAQ section.